Hello and welcome back to Beidat IT training. We'll continue explaining about AI. In this module 5, we'll talk about multimodal prompting. So this is about text and images. Basically, we'll upload an image and then ask, hey, tell us about this image, or what's happening in this image and stuff like that. So you can grab any image from online and just upload it and explain it. Okay. And let's do that and switch to any of these AI tools. So if we go to ChatGPT and click on upload an image, and I downloaded one of the images on my desktop. I grabbed it from online, so get an image. Tell me about this picture. What is yeah. So it says this image depicts a poignant and distressing scene. By the way, I'm using Qwen, not ChatGPT. Likely from a conflict or disaster zone, here's a detailed analysis of what's happening. So it will say a woman and a child. A woman is holding a young child to her chest. The child appears to be wrapped in a yellow blanket for warmth and so forth. The environment, the background shows a destroyed or heavily damaged area with debris, rubble, and smoke. The gesture on the right side of the image, there is an outstretched hand reaching and towards the woman and a child. This gesture could symbolize help, rescue, and so forth. Emotional tone, possible context. So this type of imagery is often associated with refugee crisis wars. So it's kind of explaining the yellow blanket may symbolize a hope or respite. So this is a general analysis. By the way, this is the image. I think this was from Gaza. I was just Googling. And we can try the same image in our AIs. Okay, how about if we try Gemini? Let's upload the same image. Need about this picture. Well, we can use some of the prompts I think that exist here. Say what's happening in this, is it anything unsafe? So let's just use this prompt. How about that? Okay. And just paste it here. Yeah, press enter. So again, the image depicts a woman holding a child in a scene of significant destruction and debris. The surroundings appear to be heavily damaged with rubble scattered everywhere and structures in the background appearing collapsed or severely compromised. So based on the visual evidence of the widespread damage, this environment is clearly unsafe. The presence of debris, damaged buildings, and potential unstable structures pose a significant risk of injury. The woman and the child are in previous situations due to the hazardous conditions. What else? You tell me about the picture. Background scene. Okay. When did this happen? So it says it's kitty image, but it's not really saying it. Right. So let's see. We can use this. Write a tweet. Let's go back to it. Says it would be insensitive to the people affected by these ones. I can describe the image further. Okay. do that. But while it's doing that, let's go back to here and ask the same question. So it does say the heart, so it's actually giving us an idea here, right? So it's able to write something for us. Okay. So again, some images that we have uploaded, and you can get an analysis from the image. So that's something else you can do. So we analyze visuals with AI Assistant, generate and refine detailed visual prompts, and using ChatGPT or DeepSeek or Qwen for content tied to photos and posters and social media. All right. So again, these are some more things that you can do with AI. I'll see you in the next module.